everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1981 Chevy Corvette. Yes, the Corvette is one of the nicest cars you can get in the Chevy family. More importantly, if you're getting it from Skyway Classics, you know you're getting one heck of a deal. Going to the lovely little automobile we have here, featuring a gorgeous bronze exterior. Of course, the C3 generation has blown us away with its hideaway headlights. It's really cool design in body style. Even so, from the back side, you will see it is beautiful, it is cool, it is the kind of ride that you just want to get in, unlike that ugly little trash box to our left. Who on earth would ever want to drive something like that? But looking on, you will also see that this is a fine T-top edition car. Even so, the T-tops, the previous owner was smart enough to tint the T-tops to know that how hot it is and how suffering it is on those hot summer days. You want to have a nice ride, get in and go. Which, moving on to the inside, you will see features a 4-speed manual transmission. Of course, with these certain style shifters, you always have to lift up on the reverse lock to get it into reverse. But otherwise, it has a fine tan interior. 2-seater with the fine vinyl bucket seats. As for our cluster here, you will see we have a working speedometer, a working tachometer. Even so, looking on, we have our needle gauges. We have enough fuel. We even have a working clock. For those who don't know how to tell time anymore, it is about 3:46 reading from there. As for that, you have your stock style Delco radio on the lower side with the built-in cassette. Other than that, if you want to go Chick-fil-A through the drive-thru, pick up a few cold ones, you got your nice little cup holders here. And even so, if you get pulled over, you have the fine compartment space in the back. Which also, fun fact, these older C3 Vettes have the battery behind the driver's seat. But even so, one of the coolest things I've noticed about this particular C3 was the fact that it has these certain locking T-tops with its automobile. First time I've ever seen one, and definitely well secure for this style Corvette. Which does bring us on to the engine bay, featuring that small block Chevy motor. As you can see, it does have power steering, it has power brakes. Even so, right now as a stop, you will see it is perfectly in gear. But this C3 Corvette is definitely one of the safest driving vehicles you can get from our shop. Even so, when looking at our website, you can take a look at the many fine Corvettes we have at our shop by visiting skywayclassics.com. But as we take this car up the road, you will see how smooth she shifts, how well she sounds out the back, and yes, even so, how good she'll look underneath. But as for now, no, we are just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a minute, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.